Injuries from elevation-related hazards are among the most prevalent in the construction industry and have the greatest effect on workers. They have the potential to cause the greatest harm when people fall from great heights or when objects fall upon them. The labor law, the scaffold safety law, which is what I believe you're referring to, has protected workers who have been working at heights for over 100 years in New York. And New York, by comparison, has enjoyed one of the best safety records in construction in the country. And even with that, it's still staggering the amount of accidents that exist. So those who would seek to repeal the law are misguided, because there is absolutely no reason to take away the safeguards that we have in place that have facilitated the construction of this city, of this state. All the buildings that you see around you were erected with the protections of the scaffold law in place. And the only reasons being proffered to take away the protections to workers are because insurance costs too high, but they don't prove it. They don't prove it at all. And in fact, the insurance industry, the carriers, are reporting record profits. So there's no justification there. Another thing we heard in recent years was that construction is stagnated. Well, construction is booming. Look around. Everywhere throughout the state, construction is seeing a surge, and it's cyclical. It goes through ups and downs over the last 100+ years, all with the labor law in place, all with New York valuing the safety and well-being of the New York worker and his or her family. That's something that should never, ever change.